Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to talk about the number one reason why most people will never ever achieve their dreams. Now this channel is mostly geared towards making money online, and if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe to our channel. I've got plenty of videos about this on this channel because that's what I talk about, so make sure you check these out. And now let's cue the intro. So the number one reason why most people will never achieve their dreams is they're not aware of the opportunity that they have. They can become a millionaire in 1 year, maybe it's 10 years, but some people have done it in 1 year, and that's even 10 years is so much better than a lot of things in the past. In the past you have to have a brick and mortar business, and most people took so long and very few actually achieved it. If you look at people like McDonald's, look like what they had to go through to actually make it happen and make it big. It's really big now, but it's not nearly as big as Facebook, which is very new compared to them. So all these brick and mortar businesses are like so hard to get to actually make, but making money online is not that way. Making money online is very, I wouldn't say easy, because it does take a lot of work, and we're gonna get into that later in this video, but it does take a lot less time if you actually want to put in the work. The other thing is they don't actually believe that it's possible for them. They don't believe that they can actually make some proper money online. And if you don't want to be a millionaire or anything like that, don't worry, it's like not everyone wants to be a millionaire. I just took that example. But if you want to make, maybe it's 10,000 bucks a month or anything like that, most people don't actually believe that it's possible, because you live in a society where people tell you that you have to get a job, maybe you get paid like 3,000 bucks a month, and that's how it's going to be. And if you get paid more than that, then you're really one of the rich people, and you're probably a doctor or something like that. But it doesn't work like that anymore. That's one of the things in the past. It's actually possible. So many people have created blogs that made millions and hundreds of millions of dollars. Some people did the same things with YouTube channel, Instagram channels, with like, some people are billionaires from Instagram. Like, can you actually believe it? Hashtag Kylie Jenner. But it's so much easier than it has been in the past. But there is another thing that can stop them from doing that, is they don't want it bad enough. It's so much easier than it was in the past. That is 100% true, but it's not easy by any means. I see so many people on like on Facebook groups telling people, get me a job, I want to, you can make money. Or I see other people posting scams like, if you want to make 3,000 bucks a day, just comment down below, and I'll just send you a link, and you just sign up to that link, and you'll be making 100 bucks a month, 3,000 bucks a week or a day. And it's like, it's not possible. If you click on that link, that's just a scam. People are gonna sell you something. But if you're actually willing to put in the work, and you're aware that you have to put in the work, for instance, making YouTube videos every single day, just like I'm doing. Maybe it's posting a, maybe it's making a blog post every day. Maybe it's posting on Instagram 10 times a day. Like, I don't care what it is, but there's like so many different ways to do it, and that's just talking about affiliate marketing. But if you want to do this with Amazon, if you want to do this with Shopify, all these things are actually possible, but you do have to put in the work every single day. If you don't put in the work every single day, then you just have to forget about it. It is possible. You can do it. Anybody can do it. Like, as long as you're watching this video, that means that you have an internet connection. Yes, you can actually do this. However, you can do this, but are you willing to do it? Do you want it bad enough? So many people want the big things in life, but they want it really bad until they realize what they have to do to actually get it. So if you're one of these people if you're one of these people that really want to make it and that's going to put in the work right now, comment below, leave me a comment so we can all appreciate that, and that kind of gives you something to look forward to. It's like you said you were gonna do it, now you have to do it. So leave me a comment. I'm certainly doing it. I've been doing it for a while now, putting out videos every day, and like that's one of my goals for 2019 is to put out a video every single day. So if you're actually willing to put in the work, comment down below, and also make sure that you do subscribe because I'm providing a lot of value to you guys. So if you're actually interested in making money online and you're willing to put in the work, and even if you're not and you just want to have motivation to do so, make sure that you do subscribe, and I highly appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.